Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we are participating in fellow YouTuber Raiinbow Bitez Christmas in July crafting collab. The prompt for week 3 is Christmas decor. Thinking outside, or should we say inside the box, we show you how to make a doll suitcase that opens to reveal a mini winter scene, perfect for adding that whimsical touch to your dollhouse at Christmas time. The little church can be illuminated for even more fun. And when Christmas is over, your dolls can always use the trunk for storing clothes or as a vintage-style coffee table. To see more fabulous Christmas crafts, check out all the participant videos. Links will be in the description box. So, let's get making! For the suitcase, we used a tissue box that is 9.5 centimeters high, 21.5 centimeters long, and 11.5 centimeters deep. On the front and two sides, measure and mark the area for the lid. We made ours 2.5 centimeters wide. Cut along these lines, then fold the attached paperboard backwards for a hinge. If needed, glue any side tabs that have come apart or use low-tack tape to secure them. Now we want to close up the tissue opening. Cut 2 paperboard rectangles and glue the first to the bottom of the inside and the second to the outside. So our lid will close properly, cut extra strips of paperboard that are 3 centimeters wide. Adhere them to the front and two sides of the box. You will have a lip of 0.5 centimeter which will overlap with the lower section of the box. Test to ensure the trunk opens and closes smoothly. To cover the box, we are using this Mercy brand scrapbooking pack for its white wood paper. We chose to adhere the faux wood panels vertically on the lower half of the trunk and horizontally on the lid. This way, we only needed to use one sheet of the paper. For extra detail, cut strips of black paper to trim all the sides. We also placed strips on the lid for more interest and used the black paper for side handles on our suitcase. For the caps, we punched circles of gold mirror cardstock. Fold your circle in half, then into quarters. Unfold and cut a slit along the quarter crease to the center point. Apply glue, then wrap your disc around the corner of the trunk lid. At the sides and base of the trunk, we just used a half circle of gold cardstock. Now let's give the inside of the box some color. Since this is a Christmas craft, we used a bright crimson red paint. When all the inner walls are painted, leave your box open until completely dry. For the suitcase hardware, we used buttons. Look for ones with interesting texture or patterns. Hot glue to the front of the lid. For our winter scene, we sourced this Martha Stewart paper Villiage template on the net. Link will be in the description box. Roughly cut out the 2 tree pieces and glue them onto white poster board. Cut out again. It really helped to use our small precision scissors. Cut the slits as shown on the template, then slide your 2 pieces together. Make many more trees to fill the scene. To make the church, cut out the house, roof, belfry, and belfry roof pieces. As before, glue them onto white poster board. Cut away the doors and windows, fold along the dotted lines, then put glue on the tab to close the house. Apply glue to the roof tabs and add the roof. Repeat for the belfry, only attach with liquid glue for a better connection. For a dais, we covered a box smaller in height and width than our original tissue box with white fun foam. Trace where you want to position the church, then coat the area around this with liquid glue. Unroll cotton balls and stick them into the glue for snow. You can build up the cotton for higher snowbanks at the back of the dais. Place everything inside the trunk. If you want to add a light, place an electric tea candle under the church building. Then arrange your trees in the snow. But our little scene isn't finished just yet. Let's make bunting from these shades of blue cardstock. Here we made 2 size templates so we can overlap the coloured card. With black marker, write 1 letter from the word joy on each bunting flag. Use twine or wool for the garland string. Just cut it slightly longer than your box. Glue the flags to the string. It helps to use mini crafting pegs to keep the paper in place while the glue dries. Use drops of hot glue to attach the string to the inside of the box lid. Be sure not to put the glue too close to your 5mm lip that keeps the box closed. Your winter Christmas scene is done, and you have a functioning doll-sized suitcase that you can use for storage as well as a coffee table. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Always Dolls. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!